In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Outlook not letting you log in or verify identity. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Outlook needs a clean connection to communicate with Microsoft servers during login and identity verification. If your connection is weak or switching between networks, it can break the authentication process. So try toggling Wi-Fi or mobile data and then attempt login again. Next, make sure your device settings are correct. Launch settings, go to general, go to date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. If the time is incorrect, Microsoft security system may reject your login attempt because verification tokens won't match properly. Next up, disable any VPN or proxy. Head back, go to VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it, as VPNs can trigger security flags in Microsoft accounts, causing identity verification to fail or loop endlessly. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Microsoft Outlook. Once app appears, click on Update if the option is available. Outdated versions often break login methods after Microsoft updates their authentication system. Now try removing your account from Outlook completely and adding it again. This resets your login session and clears corrupted authentication tokens that may be causing the verification error. Next up, completely delete Outlook from your device and reinstall it. A clean reinstall removes hidden cache files that can interfere with login and identity checks. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.